So we're going to talk about Polygon MATIC today. We're trying to figure out, okay, why the recent increased volatility and price drop over the last couple of days since we did our last price prediction in Polygon MATIC. As you can see, it was on October the 4th. What caused this? Maybe you can see it already. Just by me zooming in on this price chart, you can see how price in Polygon MATIC, when we did our video, hit resistance around 60 cents. That's the reason why. That area is still seen as a place to where there's plenty of sellers willing to sell their Polygon or their MATIC for 60 cents. That was something that was talked about even on our video on October the 4th. So I'm not confused as to why price in Polygon went down and the volatility increased, especially right here on this particular day, October the 9th, to where the market has instituted a push to go down bar, which the market ended down almost 6%. So the market is telling us already that we were not accurate in our idea that Polygon was bullish. And even in that particular situation, the market in Polygon broke our trend line on October the 5th. And then it attempted to break back up above our trend line on the 6th and even on the 7th in both days. Take a look, the market in Polygon got rejected. So the market always gives us clues as to whether or not you're on the right side of the market or the wrong side. And in this particular situation, yeah, our forecast was on the wrong side. So now what should we expect here into the market in Polygon going forward? Well, you can see that currently price in Polygon is holding an area to where those buyers once held support already. Back here, 27th, 28th of September, 50 cents was held as support. And then here again on September the 11th and the 12th, 50 cents was seen as support. So now right here, we can say that this is an area to where the bottom is in, right? But we need to change our time frames to see if the market sellers are going to break this 50 cent area, or will the buyers continue to hold strong, hold firm this 50 cent price level. So let's go ahead and look at this on a different time frame. Here it is on the 2-day chart, and you can see how price in Polygon definitely is getting hit with a lot of weakness. Ever since this 2-day price bar, the market in Polygon hasn't really seen any indication that the bulls are trying to make a comeback, because they're not there. Here it is on the 3-day time frame as well. These last three-day price bars, these printed 3-day price bars, it doesn't look pretty inviting for the market to be bullish. And our attention is going to be focused down here on this 50 cent level for support, and how we got that weakness bar here in Polygon definitely seems as if those buyers will have a job ahead of them. Hope they have a lot of money to come in and purchase whoever's trying to sell their MATIC in the market. Right there, look at that on the 5-day. We're starting out on a new 5-day price bar in MATIC, but that last one, the printed one, yeah, there's definitely some selling going on in the market. Weekly time frame, in the next 2 days, 14 hours, we do not want to see the market in Polygon look the way that it looks right now on the weekly chart. Here it is on the 2 weekly, Polygon on the 3 weeks. Here it is on the 5, and now on the monthly. Okay, so real quick, let's look at this on the 330-minute chart. You guys can see where the buyers are coming in at. Okay, so we may see a small move to the upside, but given the long-term charts, i.e. the 3-day, the 5-day time frame, the market definitely looks like it's trying to hit some downward pressure in Polygon. Here it is on the 7-hour chart. Take a look at this on the 5 and the 3. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this. We're going to go ahead and look for Polygon to continue to decrease in price. So I'm had to zoom out the chart to try to see where could be the next area of support. And it looked like it's going to be around 45 cents. Then after that, it's going to be 40 cents. Okay, that's where we're going to look for price in Polygon to go now. The only way that this price prediction will not go right, I've already explained it to you, is because those buyers at 50 cents will continue to buy. That's the only way that this price prediction will not work out. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. We're going to look for Polygon to go down. Okay, so yes, I do recognize that's part of the risk right here, seeing the market in Polygon hold 50 cents. So given that we know that, that needs to be one of our first target prices, looking for the market to run down towards. Okay, around 50 cents. And that's 2.13% already right there. So yes, that will have to be one of our first targets for us to look for price to go in Polygon. Our second target was around 45 cents. Which is 11.97% move down. And then our third target is going to be around 44 cents, which is 14.03. Okay. So now, generally, what we're seeing in the market in Polygon is this market really holding the consolidation trading range right now, which is nothing wrong with that. But when we transition, especially on the weekly chart, I really want to see how this weekly price bar ends in MATIC. Because if it ends the way that it looks right now, then definitely I don't suspect that price is going to hold 50 cents. It may still, but there's definitely a lot of weakness here on these different time frames in MATIC. So let me go ahead and do that. And we're going to extend this back a little bit. And that is it. I'm done. Go ahead and hit me up. Hit that like button so you can also subscribe. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.